18th of October was proposed by the Commission as the date for holding general election to 11 municipal councils. And that was suggested to the government. So the government had approved and agreed for that date. Only thing, yesterday it appeared in the newspaper. Okay, so municipality elections are to be held 15 days before expiry of their tenure. Now tenure of 11 municipal councils will be ending on 4th of November. So it is a legal requirement that the election should be held 15 days before. So we proposed 18th October.
Now in this pandemic, would these elections would be held because first of all, there is already one elections which is yet to be held, like ZP elections. Though government or this are not sure when this pandemic could end, when these elections could be held. And now coming out with these elections, would it be, is it justified, or how would your commission go about?
See, commission is legally mandated to hold the election. If the situation improves by that time, I don't see any reason why election should not be held. We hope that the situations by that time will normalize. If it doesn't normalize, then the commission will take a call at the appropriate stage. But at the same time, we should not be found wanting, because preparation for election arrangements is taking generally 3 months period. So if things normalize by that time and we don't propose a date, we don't make arrangements, then we will be legally found wanting, and then there will be a violation of a constitutional provision. So right now we are going ahead with the preparation, and we hope if the things normalize as far as COVID situation is concerned in the state of Goa, elections could be held.
But at this moment, now you talk about municipal elections. What happens to ZP then? Would ZP be held at the same time? Could be held?
It's a very good question. In fact, if municipal elections can be held, keeping in view the rider, if the things normalize, then certainly in my view, ZP elections also could be held.
At the same time?
At the same time. But rider is the situation of COVID should normalize in the state of Goa, and situation should be conducive to hold the election.
What are the options left in front of your commission? Because in this pandemic, you all have already seen people, somebody, local representative going to court, saying that there could be some problems, issues as far as health concern. And so, though you all are starting with your procedures, any options other than this?
Options we will consider at the appropriate stage. It will not be proper on my part to keep a guess at this stage. We hope things will normalize. Otherwise, a call will be taken at the appropriate stage.
But is your commission also looking to the options of the court? Because last time you all had to answer to the court on these issues and all.
No, we cannot preempt a court case. But definitely we will be taking a decision which is in the best interest of the Goan people and the voters.
But at this moment, what is your assumption? Should the elections be held, whether it is October or this? Because looking at this scenario, it doesn't look like the situation could be normal by October.
Anyway, I can't guess. We will consult the medical authorities. As far as we are concerned, we hope that we have been interacting with the state government health authorities also. Situation might improve that by that time.
What has been the opinion of the state to go ahead?
No, not that they have said go ahead. We propose a date. They agreed with that. We hope things will normalize. If they don't normalize, then we will take a call at the appropriate.
So this issue is only you all have proposed a date because you all have to get your things arranged.
Yes, legal requirement. Legal requirement.